Adani Airports, transforming the skies. Welcome to the world of Adani Airports, where innovation takes flight. We are diving deep into the story of how this aviation giant is reshaping the industry through a powerful blend of infrastructure, technology, and strategic vision. Soaring high, the Adani advantage. India's aviation landscape is experiencing unprecedented growth, and Adani Airports is at the helm. With a portfolio of strategically located airports across the country, they have captured a substantial market share. Their commitment to world class infrastructure is evident in the rapid development of state of the art terminals, efficient cargo handling facilities, and seamless passenger experiences. Key achievement: the successful commissioning of Navi Mumbai International Airport has significantly boosted Adani Airport's capacity and connectivity. Digital transformation, powering the future technology, is the cornerstone of Adani Airport's success. Their digital transformation journey is redefining the aviation landscape. AMX Teddy, the cutting edge platform, has revolutionized cargo handling, reducing turnaround times and enhancing supply chain efficiency. AI and data analytics. By leveraging artificial intelligence and big data, Adani Airports is optimizing resource allocation, predicting passenger traffic, and improving operational efficiency. Personalized customer experience. From biometric enabled entry to tailored shopping recommendations, Adani Airports is creating a seamless and personalized journey for every passenger. A business case for success. Let's delve into the business case that propels Adani Airport's growth. Strong financial foundation. Backed by the Adani Group, the company enjoys robust financial resources to invest in infrastructure and technology. Strategic partnerships, collaborations with airlines, cargo carriers, and ground handling services have strengthened the Adani Airport's market position. Focus on sustainability. Adani Airport is committed to environmental responsibility. Initiatives like solar power installations and waste management demonstrate their dedication to greener future. Building a sustainable future, Adani Airports is not just about business, it's about building a sustainable future. Their commitment to environmental stewardship is evident in initiatives like renewable energy integration, harnessing solar power to reduce carbon footprint. Sustainable infrastructure, constructing eco friendly terminals and adopting green building practices. Community engagement, supporting local communities through various social responsibility programs. The sky's the limit. Adani Airports is constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation. With emerging technologies like drones, autonomous vehicles, and virtual reality on the horizon, the future of aviation is even more exciting. Conclusion: Adani Airports is more than just an aviation company, it's a catalyst for progress. Their unwavering commitment to innovation, sustainability, and customer satisfaction is shaping the future of air travel. As they continue to soar to new heights, we can expect even more groundbreaking achievements from this industry leader. Thank you.